No matter how hard you try to lose weight, belly fat is the last and the hardest to get rid of. One of the reasons for belly fat that doesn't talked about much is chronic inflammation. Even if you're having the best diet in the world and your exercise regime is perfect, unless you combat chronic inflammation, belly fat would be very difficult to get rid of. One of the main factors contributing to chronic inflammation is the use of cooking oil that gives rise to omega-6 fatty acid, detrimental to your cell health and your overall health. Cut out cooking oils like safflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil. Replace them with butter, ghee, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. See the difference in your health and lose that belly fat fast.